In upstate New York, 'neath the February sky, a blizzard came calling. 'Twas the storm of 25. The winds blew so fierce, with a mighty cold blast, turning all into white, from the first to the last. Oh, the blizzard of 25, it swept through the land, from the hills to the valleys with a powerful hand. We huddled in homes with our stories to share, of the storm that left us with such memories rare. Drifts high as houses, the snow fell so dense, the roads were all buried, no travel made sense. From Buffalo streets to the Tug Hill's high peak, the snow was relentless, for days it did speak. Oh, the blizzard of 25, it swept through the land, from the hills to the valleys with a powerful hand. We huddled in homes with our stories to share, of the storm that left us with such memories rare. The power went out, but our spirits stayed bright. We made the best of it all through the night, with candles and laughter and warmth from the heart. We weathered the storm in our town set apart. When the winds finally hushed and the snow ceased to fall, we peered out our windows at the beauty of it all. A landscape transformed like a dreamland of white, a testament to nature's unyielding might. Oh, the blizzard of 25, it swept through the land, from the hills to the valleys with a powerful hand. We huddled in homes with our stories to share, of the storm that left us with such memories rare. Now the blizzard's a memory, but the stories will stay, of the snow that fell heavily this February day. In upstate New York, where the winters are bold, we'll remember the 25 storm as the tales are told.